Core is an AI-powered, lightning-fast search concierge for Squarespace and Knack. It exists for one reason. Most support is not support. It is routing. People are not asking for a relationship with your inbox. They are asking to find the correct answer quickly and move on. Core replaces slow support loops with on-site answers. No tickets, no waiting, no hold queues. A visitor types a question, Core matches intent to your knowledge base, and returns a response that is formatted, branded, and actionable. Here's the core logic. First, you create a controlled repository of information called Searchable Content. These are records. FAQs, product specifications, setup guides, policies, troubleshooting steps. When a user asks something, Core does not guess. It searches. It compares the query against indexed records, ranks results for relevance and freshness, then generates an answer that uses your bot persona and your rules. So the output is not random AI text. It is your content returned with structure, clarity, and speed, and it stays governed. You choose the office language. You define the tone and mentality. You control formatting via allowed HTML tags. You can display related content or keep it strictly minimalist. The result is simple. Your website or Knack app becomes self-service. Visitors do not abandon the moment, and your team stops repeating the same answers every day in different words. Core is not trying to chat. That matters, because most website chat is noise. If a user is asking a question, they usually want one of two outcomes: a direct answer or a direct route to the right page. Core is built for minimalist information distribution. Think of it like a high-intent search box, but smarter. You type naturally, and Core does the heavy lifting. It handles full sentences, typos, shorthand, and messy phrasing. It does not require keywords or perfect spelling. It identifies intent, then returns the shortest useful path to resolution. Sometimes that path is a concise answer. Sometimes it is a link to the exact page. Sometimes it is a short checklist or a step-by-step flow. The rule is simple: less performance, more precision. This is why Core uses response limits by tier. Short responses keep the output tight. Medium responses balance clarity with context. Long responses allow deeper walkthroughs when they are genuinely needed. So you are not getting a never-ending dialogue, you are getting an information system. It also reduces operational risk. When you control the repository and you control formatting rules, the system stays consistent. That is how you avoid the common problem with AI tools, where answers drift, tone shifts, or details get invented. Core is designed to move users forward, to the right page, to the right setting, to the right next step. No theatre, no fluff, just information delivered with speed and governed by your rules. Core is available in 3 subscription levels with monthly or annual billing. The structure is simple. Each tier defines capacity and response depth, so you can match Core to the size of your knowledge base and your traffic. First, Core Scout. Monthly, it's €4.99. Annually, it's €47.99, which works out at about €4 per month and saves 20%. Scout includes 10 actions per month, €5 in credits per month, 10 searchable content records, 100 queries per user, and short responses. It also includes a basic rich text editor and the essential tools to add content manually, import a single URL, and access FAQ assistance. Next, Core Roma. Monthly, it's €8.99. Annually, it's €80.99. around €6.75 per month, saving 25%. Roma increases capacity to 100 actions per month, €10 in credits per month, 100 searchable content records, and 1,000 queries per user with medium responses. It also expands editing tools, adds bulk import from URLs, and unlocks messaging assistance alongside standard FAQ support. Then Core Wizard. Monthly, it's €11.99. Annually, it's €99.99, around €8.33 per month, saving 30%. Wizard is designed for serious volume. 1,000 actions per month, €15 in credits per month, 1,000 searchable content records, unlimited queries per user, and long responses. It includes the most advanced editor options, bulk add from file, bulk update from file, and the option to hide the powered by Core notification for a cleaner interface. Across all tiers, the benefit is the same: faster support, fewer drop-offs, and less repeated work. You're not buying AI for the sake of AI, you're buying operational leverage. An answer system that scales without hiring, training, or managing headcount. Getting Core live is designed to be straightforward. Step 1 is the subscription. Once you subscribe, the initial setup email is sent out on a short cycle, roughly every 5 minutes, to keep onboarding fast. Step 2 is accessing the Core system. From the ProjektID website, you can enter the Core back office via the System button. Bookmark it, because this is your control center. Inside the Core system, you set the fundamentals. You define the bot persona: identity, tone, intent, audience, level of expertise, and response preferences. You set spelling and punctuation rules, like British English, and you specify what Core must avoid. You add contextual nuance, the key facts about your business, your products, and your rules, so answers stay on brand and consistent. You choose your office language. This controls the interface language and also how queries are translated before searching, so results remain reliable even if users type in different languages. You define allowed HTML tags. That is your safety layer and your formatting layer. It keeps answers clean, predictable, and compliant. Then you build searchable content. You can add single records, import a single URL, bulk import URLs, bulk add from file, and bulk update from file. Each record becomes a searchable item that Core can match to user intent. Finally, you install Core. For Squarespace, you paste the Core initializer script into header code injection, which requires a business or commerce plan. Then you place the Core HTML on the dedicated host page, where visitors will use it. For Knack, you paste the script into Settings, API and Code in the JavaScript section, which requires a starter plan or higher. Once it's live, Core handles the front line. Users search, Core answers. Your team stops repeating itself. And when you need help, support is structured. There is FAQ assistance inside the system. Higher tiers include messaging assistance, and there is dedicated support with a known waiting time so expectations stay realistic. The goal is not to add complexity, the goal is to reduce it. Core gives you a governed, searchable, scalable support layer directly inside the platform your users are already in.